Hello people, how's it going? In this video I'm going to show you how you can get US number for free, how you can get a free US number for a month. This platform gives you free trial phones to lease or rent different phone numbers on their site for a month without credit card or debit card. And while we are getting into it, if this is your first time on this channel, we provide valuable information like this: how to get digital tools needed for your online activities and different ways to make money online. So hit that subscribe button now to stay tuned. And if you've been here before but forgot to subscribe, do so now. Click the subscribe button now and turn on the notification bell for the next update. Let's ride the wave together. Okay, to get started, open your browser and just search for Twilio. Click on the first link here. Click start for free. And sign up. Fill in the required information. Verify you are human. Agree to their terms and click on continue. Here you need to verify your Gmail. A code has been sent to it. And click on verify. Okay, they need me to also add a number. It's alright, you can add your local number and use it to get code. Remember, they won't be requiring for your credit or debit card, just these details. I've added my number now and I'm waiting for the code. Sorry guys, I finally verified my number but I forgot to capture it. The code was taking time. I had to pause the recording a couple of times. Also, I had to change the number and use another one and just realized I've paused the recording. So, but yeah, this is the next page after I input the verification code, you understand? So remember, I just want to collect code and it's just the part that I forgot to capture, and that's it. If you're not getting code or your number isn't working too, you might just need to change the number, okay, and it will work. This is the recovery code to my account, so I will save it in my notepad first, then continue. Select continue with trial. I'll choose this. I'll choose this. Choose this. This. this, and this. And this is the dashboard now, and here you can see that I've been given $15 trial fund. I just can't cash it out though, how I wish. So but you can spend it on their number. This is the funds that you use to rent numbers, and you have access to the numbers you rent for a month for free texting, free calling, verification and all. You can buy up to 3 numbers with these free trial funds, and you own the 3 numbers for a month. Okay, so to buy number, come to phone number, click on manage, and buy a number here. Then you can select from the list. At the top here, you can select the country you want, any country. Let's say I need a UK number, for example. I'll search for United Kingdom here. And then scroll down to select from the list. Or if I want Australian number, search and select from the drop down.
I'm going to change it back to US. And get a US number. I'll choose this. Okay, scroll down, read this, agree to their terms and buy. And now I have it. All messages will be here, and I can go ahead and use it now. So guys, try it out. Let me know if it works for you. There are a couple of ways I discovered to get US number for free recently, but I'm trying to double check the other ones, and I'll put it out here for everyone once they click. Alright, so that'll be all for this video. Don't forget to subscribe and give the video a like, guys. See you in another video.